Okay guys, I'm gonna color my hair. Oh my God, I'm showing you the real deal here. That's probably over 4 weeks. I'm gonna use the kit that I'm telling you guys to try, so I want to try it too. I first trimmed my bangs and did a little fringe before I put my color on because that was driving me crazy. And all my extension clients, I feel your pain. My extensions are grown down to here. I know, it's hard, so we'll get through this. Okay, so I'm going to open up my kit. I'm excited. Oh my God, I gotta put my glasses on. This isn't a very good angle. Hey, what do you want from me? We're all in the same boat here. Okay. Okay, here's my kit. I'm opening it up. For you guys, when you open your kit up, make sure you read the directions. I'm having people do it wrong already. So it goes on for 45 minutes. And you can put a cap on your head, like a shower cap or a plastic cap or saran wrap, whatever you got just to hold the heat in from your head, okay? All right, so I'm going to put my directions over here. I'm going to open my kit up. Okay. This is your developer, your activator, your disposable gloves, processing cap, mixing bowl. Oh, it gives you a cap. Perfect. Okay. So there's enough in here for 2 applications. Look at this tiny brush. I can't even, that is the cutest. Okay. Gives you 2 bowls and 2 pairs of gloves. That's awesome. That's great. Oh, I'm dropping stuff. Okay. There's your little bowl. We've got our gloves. You've got 2 developers, so you can just save one for the next time. And they even give you a shampoo conditioner. How cute. Okay, so right now, I'm going to open up the color. This is where the color. So if it's saying it does 2 applications, then you wouldn't want to use the whole tube. It depends how bad your regrowth is. Now mine's pretty bad. My hair's pretty thick, but I have extensions under here, so I'm really only coloring the top of this top area. So I could probably get away with using 1/2 of a tube. But it goes with the density of your hair. If your hair's fine, you'll be able to get 2 applications out of it. If your hair's thick, then use the whole tube. But I'm gonna do 1/2. So let me mix that up right now. Hold, please. Okay, guys, I wanted to show you this. It'll say on the tube, 1/2. So if you're only going to do 1/2 application, squeeze your tube down to that. Use 1 of these, and then you should have 1 extra of these, and then the rest of this for the next time. Does that make sense? Okay. Also, you might want to wear a shirt that you can pull over your head. That's important. Or an old shirt. I also put a towel over my sink because my hair is dark and I don't want my color to stain my sink. These are little tips if you've never colored your hair at home. If you stain, you could put Vaseline if you have some at home, or a lotion, anything that is helping the color not absorb into your skin, especially right now it's really dry. So if you're prone to doing that, you can put a little Vaseline, which I think I have some, so I better do that because my skin actually does that. So see, you would just kind of, don't get it in the hair because then your hair won't color. So you just kind of rub it close to the hairline. I know I gotta take my glasses off. Or put it on your ears if you think you're gonna kind of be sloppy with it. Yeah, so just kind of go like that. Okay, there's the color. You get your brush, or if you have a spatula or a whisk at home, you can whip it together. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, it should be like that, kind of thick. All right, here we go. Okay guys, I just washed my hair. It looks good. Okay, this is it. half blow dried. I blow dried the front so you guys could see. It blends nice. My gray is gone. Yeah, it looks good. And my curtain bangs look better too. Okay, I hope this helped you. I can't wait to get behind the chair. I'm counting the days. I miss everyone, my coworkers, my clients. I love you guys. Stay safe out there. I can't wait to see you all again. Ciao.